Alexandra Yim and I'm a second grader. Geometry is fun for kids. Now I'll teach you how to find the circumference of a circle. Circumference means perimeter. So step 1, you gotta write the formula. The formula is C equals pi times D. D is diameter. The next step is you gotta measure the diameter. So I have the circle here. I will use inches for this. So when I measured, I got 7 inches. So I'll write D equals 7 inches. Now we gotta multiply. So you gotta write C equals pi times D. So this would equal, D is 7 inches, so you would write 3.14 times 7 inches. Now we gotta multiply it. 3.14 times 7 inches. Okay. Now since these equal nothing, you just put a 0 here because we're not going to use that. So first, 7 times 4 is 28. 7 times 1 is 7. You put it here. So 2 plus 7 is 9. 7 times 3 is 21. So you write 1 and 2 here. So then you gotta find how much it equals to after the 2 decimals. Here's 2 and here's 2, so it equals 4. So you write 1, 2, 3, 4, and you put the decimal right here. This equals 21.98. You do not put the zeros because they're worth nothing. And you write inch, like there. The circumference equals 21.98 inches. Thank you for watching.